lovely crochet friends, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, a very warm welcome. I'm so happy you're joining me today. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to crochet these beautiful and delicate lavender flowers. So grab your yarn hook and let's get started. For this project, you'll need a 0.9mm crochet hook and light pink acrylic double knit yarn. Let's start by beginning with the base of the flower. Begin by making a magic ring. Into the ring, chain 1 and make 8 single crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now slip stitch into the first stitch to close the round. Now, continue making the same pattern until you have 6 rounds in total. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then slip stitch to close. Flip your design inside out and continue. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, chain 1 and make 4 single crochet decreases around. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now slip stitch into the first stitch to close. Now fasten off and cut the yarn. Now we've completed the base. Let's move on to make the petals using the dark purple yarn. Again, make a magic ring, chain 4, and now we'll work along the chain. Make 1 single crochet into the second chain from the hook, then a half double crochet, and then a slip stitch. Now slip stitch into the magic ring. That makes 1 small petal. Repeat the same pattern 3 more times so that you have 4 petals in total. I'll show you again. Now there are 2 petals. Now pull the magic ring tight, fasten off, tie securely, and cut the excess yarn. Now the petals are complete. Now use the same pattern to make the sepal using green yarn. Now let's make the leaves. Start by chaining 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And now, starting from the second chain, make 10 slip stitches. Now chain 13. Again, from the second chain from the hook, make 10 slip stitches. Make sure the stitches aren't too tight and loose, so take your time here. Now, continue repeating this pattern until you have 12 leaves in total. These tiny leaves will make the lavender stem look full and natural. Now the leaves are complete. Now let's do the fun part, assembling your lavender flower. Take your craft wire and insert it through the middle of the petal part. Bring both ends of the wire together to form the flower stem. Now insert the flower base onto the wire and secure it with glue. Next, add the green sepal underneath the flower and glue that in place as well. Now push it in, lightly. Now glue the leaves of the sepal and close them onto the base. You may need to hold it for a few seconds. Now wrap the wire stem with green yarn, starting from under the petal. Add a little glue as you wrap to keep everything secure. Now, attach the small leaves along the stem one by one. Add a little glue as you wrap to keep everything secure. Take your time with this step so your flower looks clean and beautiful. Continue wrapping neatly with green yarn. Again, make sure you take your time, as this is what makes the flower look its best. Keep on applying glue and squeezing it so it sticks. And now, our lovely crocheted French lavender flower is ready. Apply dark acrylic paint on the base of the flower. It looks so delicate and beautiful. You can make several flowers in the same way and arrange them into a lovely bouquet. This crocheted lavender flower is perfect for bouquets, hair accessories, handmade gifts and home decor. I hope you enjoyed making this beautiful flower with me today. If you found this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe and share with your crochet friends. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next tutorial.